Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Honor entered into the foldable phone market early last year, and in a short time, they managed to impress customers with their book-style foldable phones. And as per the recent report, the brand dominated the Chinese foldable phone market during the third quarter, and that's majorly because of their amazingly lightweight and powerful Magic V2. But you see, the brand so far hasn't launched its flip phone, the kind of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series. So for the curious people, fortunately, without confirming the time frame, early this year, Honor confirmed that they are actively considering this flip-style form factor. So now, as per the reliable tipster, digital chat station, Honor is finally gearing up to launch its very first flip-style foldable phone, and he even shared its possible launch date. So as per the leakster, the first flip phone from Honor will have a huge 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which is the biggest battery capacity to be featured in any flip phone. Because of their design, flip phones usually come with the smaller battery capacities than the regular phones. So the 4500 mAh will allow the Honor's flip phone to stay alive longer than its rivals. There are no details on the chipset Honor intends to use with its first flip phone, but I think it is safe to say there will be a Snapdragon 8 series chipset. Now, talking about the launch date, the tipster says the Honor Magic Flip will debut sometime in the first quarter of 2024, which means it's not far away from us. Considering Honor is doing quite well in the book-style foldable phone, we guess their flip phone will also worth the wait for. Anyway, at the moment, most of the details of the Honor flip phone are under wraps, but of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be any information. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.